Hey guys, look who's back. Okay, so I know I've been gone for a while, but in the summertime I do not like wearing makeup. So today I am going to show you this quick little makeup, no makeup summertime look that got me through the whole entire summer. I kid you not, I wore this every single day when I did wear makeup during the summer, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay. So I am already moisturized. I used Pixie's facial wash, toner, and moisturizer, and I will put it somewhere on the screen, the exact products that I used. So I'm already moisturized, but I feel that I am a little dry around the nose area. So I'm gonna use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel just to put around my nose. Okay, that was simple. Before I get started on my brows, I am going to go ahead and put a little bit of primer on, and the only reason why I'm putting primer on is because I will be using concealer but no foundation. It's too hot for foundation. So I'm gonna use this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm just basically going to put that on this area right here by my nose and under my eyes. I'm sorry if you can hear that noise. I'm right here by the air conditioning. It is hot, but I had to have it on. Now I am going to do my brows. I'm going to use this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to fluff those babies up. And this, like I said, this is really quick. I'm not going to be carving out my brows or anything like that. So I'm just going to put like a few little strokes just to fill it in a little bit. But we're not carving anything today. There, that brow is done. Okay, so after I use that Precisely My Brow, I'm going to use the Give Me Brow, and this is in number 4. And I'm going to put this through the hairs. And this is just giving it a little bit more color. Okay, done with that. And then I'm gonna go in with the 24-hour Brow Setter, also by Benefit. And I'm just going to brush those brows up so that they set kind of feathered. I see a couple of little stragglers. Let me get those. And on this brow, my brows actually grow the way they're supposed to grow, so I don't have to do much for that brow. But this one I have to do a little bit more. Take a little bit more of that Precisely My Brow pencil just to fill it in on the top a little bit more. All right, I think they're sisters but not twins. I'm good with that. Okay, so moving on. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put some Vaseline Lip Therapy on my lips because my lips feel a little dry. So, gonna put that on. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is concealer. I'm gonna use my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade 290. And what I did was I dipped it in there, and then I'm just basically wiping the excess off. And the air conditioner went off. Okay, so gonna put that concealer right there under my eyes. And then I'm going to take my concealer brush This is a concealer brush by Sephora, and I'm just going to blend that in. And if I don't want so much on the bottom, I'm going to bring it on my lid because I will not be wearing eyeshadow. So I'm blending that out. Okay, gonna take a little bit more. Dab and dab on the lids. And like I said, this is literally what I did. If I needed to go somewhere this summer, which we did a lot of, this is the look that I did. And it literally takes no more than 15 minutes. It's probably taking me longer because I'm trying to record a video. Okay, so the concealer is on, and now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the color Cashew. This is a really, really good powder. So I'm gonna set that concealer. All right, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just wipe away that powder. Now I'm going to put this Essence mascara on. This is the Lash Princess mascara, one of my favorites. Going to dab that on. And like I said, this is a quick summertime look, so I will not be wearing lashes today. It's too hot outside. Okay. Mascara done for now. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some blush on. This is the Peach Punch Blush by CoverGirl. So let me just grab a blush brush. Okay. Just dabbing that. And putting that on my cheeks. Give a little smile. Cheese. Okay. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that blush and go across my nose. And that was a bit much. Wipe some of that off. There we go. Then I'm going to take this highlighter by Jouer. This is in the color Topaz. And I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. Not a lot. Okay. There we go. A little bit on the nose. Cupid's bow. And that's it. So far we've applied the primer, the brow products right there. We've applied the mascara, and there's the air conditioning again. We've applied the concealer, the blush, and the highlighter. Last thing I have to do is just dab this gloss off. And you actually could leave the gloss on there, and normally I do, but for the sake of the video, I decided not to just wear the gloss. So this is an old lip pencil that I have from Rimmel. I don't know the name of it because you can see I've sharpened it down very far. So let me just line my lips. But this is a beautiful color. Okay. Oops. Got those lips lined, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Sugar Pie. So pretty. That's it. I'm done. I'm gonna spray my face because I put some powder on, but I'm gonna use this MAC Fix Plus spray. It's the matte. Okay, then I'm gonna go back in with that mascara and just put some on my bottom lashes, and that will be the end of the look. Excuse me. Okay. And I think I'm gonna go in and put a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner. Just because. All right. Back in with Topaz, put a little bit in the inner corner. Okay, so that is the look. Let me take my scarf off because I did put my hair in a ponytail, so I needed to lay my edges. Alrighty. Few little flyaways up there, but it's all right. Okay, so that is it. If you like this quick little summertime look, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like putting on makeup in the summertime, because again, I do not. So this is something quick, no foundation needed, and you still look cute. I have more videos coming, I promise, but I wanted to get started or back started with something that was really, really quick and that could be a benefit to all of you. So again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for sticking with me and my absences, but we're gonna come back on and get some stuff rolling, okay? All right, so thank you for watching. Bye.